Quick video, if anybody's having leaks into their boot that they can't find from Mk4 Mondeo, it's likely these air vents behind the bumper. As you can see, there's all water lurking around in this. There's a fairly weak sort of rubber seal that's obviously over time just loses its grip and it just lets water to bypass, and it then comes through the inner skin into the boot. Usually all the water gathers into the spare wheel well, and then it rusts that out, and you can't really see in here from inside the boot. So there's plenty of guides online show you how to take the bumper off, but I thought it was just worth highlighting that it's these vents, and I'm just going to silicone these back on and seal them up again, and fingers crossed that should eliminate 99% of the leaks that I've got with this. As you can see, there's water all hanging around, and that would have all been behind the seal. Really difficult to track down. Also silicone your grommets for the wiring for the wiring harness for the boot, but most of the leaking will be from this, I'd imagine, if it isn't that.